dear parents, how are you all? Hope you're all safe at home. Yes, here we are going to depict how our children are going to overcome this critical situation during the lockdown period of COVID 19. Pandemic or an epidemic. Have we ever predicted that this would happen? Plastic being staple, have we ever expected that we could reject it? Life is so on. We don't know what would happen at any point of time. But we should always be prepared to ensure that we don't get irritated and we don't feel the trouble of facing the real life situations. Our children are now going to show you how they are keeping themselves occupied during this lockdown period. Lockdown is nothing but getting time for yourself to ensure and to bring out the treasure in you. Yes, we at Vishwavidyapeeth and our children always believe that all of us have inborn treasure. We should hunt for it, we should get it out. Our children have hunted, and few of them have really proven that they could do much more than what is expected out of them. Why to wait? Why to waste our time? Oh, come on, let's watch what our little ones are going to tell you.
Dad, it's so boring. It's been such a long time since I've seen my friends. Is there any way I could see them?
Yeah, of course. Why don't you do a group video chat?
That sounds great. Hi friends, how are you doing? How are you spending your time at home? What new things have you learned?
It's been long that I've stepped out of my house, but my timetable is set. I am enjoying baking and cooking. I've learned so much, and on my birthday, I promise I'll bake a cake. Yippee!
Hi, I've learned how to roll chapati as I have to help my mom. It's so much fun to roll, and guess what? Not one or two, so many as we have guests. No, not at home. My mom says Watchman Uncle's family and people who are working in our building are our guests, and we have to be a perfect host.
As you know, I am a YouTuber. I have made many videos to comfort people who are scared. Actually, we kids can do wonders.
I am having so much fun packing food what mom and dad are making for the neighboring hospital staff. The whole staff are sending greetings at the end of the day, and I am collecting it.
Hey, that reminds me, I learned how to make masks. No, not Spider-Man ones. My mother made thousands of them for uncles and aunties. I helped her in cutting. My sister Advika helped her in pasting. Hey Advika, say hi. Hi.
It's so much fun. Our society had held an online drawing contest for community helpers. And guess what? Not only I learned how to use a computer, but I won the contest.
Hey, we just used to read about community helpers, but now we are seeing them helping us in reality. In our home, not a morsel of food is wasted. It all is distributed in society.
Yes, I agree. Our vegetable seller uncle is making sure that we all get fresh vegetables in our area. Wasting morsels will hurt him and indirectly our farmer uncles.
How are your pets? How are your dogs, your parrots and rabbits?
Oh, they're happy to have all of us at home. And I have a fish too. We are taking good care of them.
Oh, I forgot to tell you about what I'm doing. Both my parents are working at home, so most of the time I take care of my little sister so that they can work in peace. Anyway, it was good to see you all. Goodbye.
Did you hear the conversation of our kids? Without even stepping out of the house, they have learned the basic human skill, compassion, without even realizing it. Don't you think this is a perfect example for every cloud has a silver lining? What are we waiting for? Why don't we learn from them? Why don't we see the real fact that children will set example for us? Come on, let's encourage them, let us motivate them, and always ensure they are on the right track. Thank you for watching this video.